Hello, I am Mani Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into two major categories of tokenomics. One is fixed, another one is inflationary. We will try to understand what model is applicable for what situations and which one we can choose in our tokenomics. See, the main two types of token supply that you can create is in like a fixed amount of token or variable amount of token. So the token supply defines how each token is created and how many tokens are going to exist in a blockchain and how your community is going to grow with the token. All those things matters based on the token type you choose, whether inflationary token or fixed amount of token. So basically the fixed amount of token, you will have either million token, 2 million token, or whatever you decide. So that is fixed. Nobody can change it. Just like Bitcoin, it's 21 million that has been already set. And then in the inflationary type token, the token varies every year or every month or every day, the number of tokens goes up. For example, if you take Ethereum, it's not fixed. So based on the standards they set, the total number of Ethereum around the blockchain, Ethereum blockchain ecosystem goes up. So you need to understand which one to choose if you are planning to design a token system so that you can plan your tokenomics around your ecosystem that you are building. Fixed versus inflationary supply overview. In the fixed supply, it's the total number of token is limited. It's just a million token, 2 million token, whatever you set, that's going to be there. The customers, those who are going to participate in your tokenomics, those who are going to be interested and buying your token, they know that they are getting into your token system, knowing that the total number of token is not going to change. It's going to be constant. So that is a fixed token. And then in the inflationary token, your customers knows ahead of time, even before they purchase, how much the total number of token is going to increase, whether it's going to increase every 6 months or every 1 year, whatever may be the criteria. You need to make your tokenomics under decide it and then make it understandable for the public so that they can come and purchase the tokens. They know what they are going to get in. So you need to have the model upfront and you need to decide which way you are going to build the token and which way the tokenomics are going to help for your customers in purchasing and making the decision. So why token supply matters? So the influences of market participation and investor confidence. You need to upfront tell how many tokens it's going to be so that they know what they are going to get in, whether it's store value, if it's a fixed number of token, or if it is a transaction based token. Then the token, then more and more people can come and engage with your token system, and then the value goes up. So you need to make sure you create the token based on the utility, based on how your users are going to use the token system. See, for example, the main difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum, two popular tokens, Bitcoin is a store value. You cannot use it for day-to-day transaction. I mean, you can use it, but it's not advisable to use it because the token, people buy it and then people buy it and save it for the future use so that it value goes up. And also the total number of Bitcoin is constant. It's 21 million. Once it reaches the 21 million, it's not going to increase by any chance because that's been already coded in the Bitcoin contract. So that's it. Once whoever buys, they know that it's fixed and they know that its value will go up based on the fixed number of token. And that is the main purpose of Bitcoin. And then if you take Ethereum, the other way, the total number of Ethereum token varies and it changes. So people can use this Ethereum token to do a day-to-day transaction. You can use Ethereum to purchase whatever you want to purchase. If you want to purchase a coffee, you can, but still, it is the cost is too high. But eventually, the cost will go down, and once it became widespread, tokens like Ethereum or Solana, those type of token, total number of token is going to increase based on user participation. And also how it's going to increase, nobody can randomly increase to from 1 million to 2 million or whatever may be the criteria. It's all been set in the contract. If you go and read the contract, or if you Google around and try to find, then you know how the Ethereum or Solana blockchain changes. So those two are the main types of token system, and you need to understand before designing the tokenomics around your tokens. So characteristics of fixed supply. So again, as I explained earlier, scarcity often drives demand. For example, Bitcoin is 21 million, it is capped. So you know that it is fixed number of token. Then if you are interested in this type of token system, then your customers purchase it, and then they know that the value is going to go up because nobody can increase the token. So it's fixed. So the potential for deflation if tokens are lost or burned. Say, for example, if somebody loses the token, Ethereum token, Bitcoin token, then they cannot get it. Once it lasts, it lasts. So the total number of tokens are fixed, the value goes up. More and more people wants to buy. Since more and more people wants to buy the fixed number of token, the value goes up. So that is the main characteristic of fixed supply of tokens. So people hold it for the long term store value for these type of tokens. So the pros of fixed supply, it's predictable. People, those who are getting in, they know the total number of token is going to be constant, and they can able to purchase it and they can hold it so that the value goes up. So you are creating a scarcity around the token systems. From the beginning itself, those who are purchasing your token, they know that the total number of token is going to be constant. So it attracts long-term investors. So if you see the Bitcoin, people are not going to buy and sell on a regular basis. They may sell if you want to purchase something really big. Say for example, if I have a two Bitcoin token, then the value is close to $200,000 now. So if I am selling those two tokens, then I will use those 200 to buy a house or something big. So it's not used in a day-to-day transaction. So that's the fixed number of that's the value of Bitcoin fixed number of token supply. So it is constant. So people buy it for store value and they save it for long term investment, and they will sell it whenever they need to do something big, they will sell it. So the cons of fixed supply is it's limit the flexibility of future development or incentives. So once it reaches 21 million, there is no more new in case of Bitcoin, there is no more new Bitcoin. Whoever wants to purchase it, they have to purchase from the existing supply of token. So even though the value goes up, you cannot have more people owning it. So that is based on what you see. It is not be used for any other purpose other than owning it for a long-term store value. So, and also because of this, there won't be much volatility if everybody holds it. Say, for example, if somebody has a million Bitcoin token and that person suddenly sells all of it, then the value goes down drastically because there are million tokens coming into the market. and more people will try to purchase it. Since it's million tokens are coming into the market because it's fixed, so the value may go up, go down periodically. And if more and more people are selling it, then the value goes down. So that's possible in the fixed supply of tokens. So characteristics of inflationary supply. See, this is basically the fixed amount of tokens. New tokens are issued over time. For example, Ethereum has a staking rewards. So by having the principle of staking rewards, people can get new tokens, Ethereum tokens, in the from the blockchain. So by doing that, they are incentivizing more and more people into the buying the Ethereum token, and so that and more people are participating in the Ethereum ecosystem. So the value goes up eventually. So pros of inflationary supply. So rewards of long-term participants and contributions. So you have more people are coming in. They know that the future value, the value of the tokens are going up because it's going to attract more people. So since there are more tokens, more people are going to purchase, and then the value goes up. So that is the variable number of tokens in the supply system. So, and also it supports the growth by distributing the token to the wider audience. It's not like a fixed amount. Once the 21 million token in case of Bitcoin, uh, whoever has it, they have it. So if they keep storing it, then there is no more new token, there is no more new participant into the Bitcoin community. But in case of Ethereum, since the total number of token grows, more and more people can purchase it, and they can use it in a day-to-day transactions for whatever purpose they are planning to do. And also, Bitcoin also has a mechanism to adjust the token. See, if you keep on increasing the token, then the token value goes down. So there is a inbuilt mechanism in the inflationary supply of token type. uh, After some point, they can burn the token. Basically, they can reduce the token based on the predefined set of contract rules when they create the token systems. That is possible in the Ethereum. For example, in every transaction happen, certain amount of transaction fee is burned. Basically, nobody can use that particular amount of value within the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem. So that's also possible in the variable token type systems. So cons of inflationary supply, the risk of oversupply or token devaluation. See, basically, as I explained earlier, if you keep on increasing the token, yes, you can attract new people coming into the network. But the downside is that the value may goes down. Since the more and more tokens are there, the value of the token, each token will go down. So you need to make sure that you are balancing your network so that the value goes up, and also the total number of token goes up, and you are attracting more customers coming into your token system. And for that, you need a careful token management system inbuilt within your contract so that people, those who are purchasing, they know the total number of token goes up, and also they know that you are carefully balancing your tokenomics to reduce it if the total number of token goes up drastically, and there is a mechanism to reduce the total number of token so that there is a balance exists within the ecosystem. Ultimately, the token value keeps going up. So balancing the inflation and deflation. So dynamic tokenomics can combine both fixed and inflationary features. See, there are some tokens available where They include both fixed token and also variable number of token systems inbuilt in the same Ethereum, same blockchain systems. That's possible. So they burn the token. For example, Ethereum is one such example. So the total number of token goes up, and that if there is too much tokens, they can also reduce it by burning the tokens. So there is a striking balance between those two, and that creates a good tokenomics for the entire blockchain ecosystem, and that attracts more customers, more participants purchasing the token, and thereby you are growing the community around your blockchain ecosystem. So aligning tokenomics with project goals. See, before you create any tokens, we explained in previous videos the tokenomics and the project goals. Even before you start creating it, you need to make sure you come up with your project vision, mission, and value system. How what customers are going to use with the token and how the token value is going to go up. You need to decide upfront, and then you need to create your tokenomics based on those goals, and you need to communicate that to your customers so that they know what type of blockchain system you are creating, what type of tokenomics the blockchain system is going to support, so that they understand upfront even before they purchase the tokens. So measuring the success and adjusting the strategy. See, one of the main um, goal in any tokenomics is you need to make sure you understand how well your tokens are being distributed, how many users have the tokens, and what they are going to do with the token, whether they are using it on a regular basis, or they are holding it in their wallets, or they are selling it, they are transferring it. So you need to have proper tools and technologies so that you can understand how your tokens are being used within your ecosystem. So you need to have a mechanism to monitor and adjust the tokenomics based on the token usage, whether you need to increase the token or reduce the token. All those things you need to understand and adjust on a regular basis so that you will have a healthier tokenomics and you can attract more customers and you can grow your community around the tokenomics, around the tokens that you are building it. So, and then to take away that there are two main types of tokenomics: fixed supply, variable supply. So for fixed supply, you take Bitcoin as an example. For variable supply, you take Ethereum as an example, and you can study those two type of blockchains and then decide which way you want to go before you design your tokens, so that you can understand how the tokenomics going to work and how you can create the token system to support your community. So I have put a lot more videos about different types of tokens and what are all the usage of tokens and how what are all the items you need to think about creating the before creating the token, and how you can create a community around the token, and how you can distribute the token, all those in various videos. I'll provide the link in this video also. You can go and take a look. If you need more information, please let us know. So that's all I want to discuss in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And please help us to grow this channel by subscribing to this YouTube. And also we have a platform, Analytic Kit. You can find more information about our analytical platform. Again, um, our analytical platform is not specifically designed for tokenomics, but you can measure various tokens, various transaction activities in Ethereum blockchain. So right now, it supports only Ethereum blockchain, but we are working on incorporating other blockchains like Solana or or many other blockchains in the future. But for now, if you are planning to measure the tokenomics in Ethereum for your particular contract, definitely please check out our website to find more informations. And also you can go to dpa.analytic.com, register yourself and start using our tool. And if you have any questions, please let me know and we will address it. Thank you. Bye.